guys, I just put my status. Traveling is irritating, and a lot of people ask me why am I trailing like this? So here's a short video. I'm going to tell you. I was called urgently, and I had to go to Delhi for some job. And here I travel from my residence, and I am already in the Vashi Plaza toll, where we have to pay some taxes for the government. I'm crossing this toll plaza, and you can see here the face masks, the visors, the hand sanitizers, the social distancing, and the traffic is actually started irritating me. And let's not waste the time. I am here on the international airport, and you will ask me why domestic travel has to go through an international airport. And let me tell you, all domestic airports are closed, and we had to go from an international airport for domestic travel as well. Here I have reached Mumbai International Airport, from where I will be taking a flight, and there will be some delay here, and I am being advised to reach here 4 hours before. This is a short video for beginners, maybe, who are afraid how to travel and how to go to through an domestic or international airport. This will guide you in short. Here outside people are waiting. Here you have to show your Arogya Setu app status. It should be green. Your temperature will be screened here, and then only they will allow you to go inside. When you go, you need to check here your flight status. 1550 to Delhi, and I have already checked in my bag because I have done it online with the baggage tag and the boarding pass. A printout was taken, so it was easy. This was done because of this social distancing. They don't want to touch you, your bags or anything. And here is my boarding pass and a baggage tag, which was done online by me, and I am ready to enter. This Punjab Grill is my favorite. Whenever I travel, I used to have some snacks here, but now this is closed because of Punjab Grill, and I am upset. This is supposed to be most favorite place, but now people are not happy here because you will see a queue. They will give you some sanitizers, a face mask, and this visor, which irritates you, and it will given by airport authority. A face mask, a visor, and some sanitizers. This is the boarding of the flight, the most favorite place, but people are not happy here. But they are just traveling because they need to. No food, water will be given for you inside the flight, and you need to carry it with you. The government has given permission for that. This is the flight inside. You see social distancing. The center seat is kept empty for you. And this bus will take me to a baggage claim area. And this 360 rotation of the bags, you have to wait till the bag comes here, but I am not going to wait here because I know the exact place from where the underground staff is putting your bag, and you can just go and pick up there instead of wasting your time to your luggage to come with this conveyor. I will go to the airport. Authorities, they will exit me through immigration. Video is not allowed there. Then I will go to the hotel where my bag will be sanitized, and I will enter the hotel. Thank you. A short video for you.